The 2022 Hyundai Tucson key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When your fob stops working reliably, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob-specific pry tool. First, locate the seam on the key fob case. Carefully insert your tool into the seam and gently pry the two halves apart. Be cautious to avoid scratching the plastic. With the case open, you'll see the battery. Note the orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus, should be facing up. Use your tool or fingers to carefully remove the old battery. Avoid touching the circuit board. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, matching the original orientation. Once the battery is correctly placed, snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until they are firmly closed. Now, test the functionality of your key fob by locking and unlocking your car doors. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. If problems persist, your fob might need reprogramming at a Hyundai dealership. Remember to properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.